Sorry, there is some small. So can you hear me now? Okay. Yeah. Today in this session, we'll see what is dashboard and how we can create that dashboard, and then what is dashboard prompt and how we can use this dashboard prompt for filtering. Um, for filtering the analysis. Right. So we'll see these three things today. So firstly, like the dashboard. So dashboard is nothing but like where it's a place where we can put all our reports in one place. In multiple tabs we can put. If we have few reports that are specific to that we will group by role, right? So say for sales rep, so these are the reports. For the sales manager, these are the reports. Or if we are grouping by object, so for account, these are the reports, and for opportunity, these are the reports. Like if we want to combine one or more reports into one area, so then we can use dashboards. So uh, in report, right, we can combine one or more views. That means views means in yesterday's session we have seen this report, right? So where we added table view and then graph view, right? We added two views into the same report. Like this in dashboard, we can add these two, like if we have one more report like this, so we can add these two reports into one dashboard. So so if we have something like this, another report for some other requirement or some other subject area, right? So these two reports we can add in a dashboard. So to create dashboard, we need to use this create button and then click on dashboard. So it will ask for a dashboard name and then the path where we need to save this dashboard. Okay, so we are getting this dashboard, new dashboard page. So where we need to give our dashboard. So okay, now like we need to select the content, content or a location description we can select. So the default, it is selecting this. If you want to change the different path, so we can choose the different paths. And if you want to store it some other custom location, we can choose this browse catalog. Okay, and then it will ask where we can store. So for now, I'll just save in some custom. Okay. I'll save it here. Custom, and then I'll select CX. Okay, this is the path I selected, and then it is asking to select the content. That means whatever reports I need to add, like I can add now or I can add later. So I'll select add now and then I'll click OK. So it will open a new dashboard page. Okay. So this is our empty dashboard. So if you see here, you can select the reports built in different folders, right? So suppose we want to select our report that is storing in under CX we created my test report, right? So if I want to add this report to my dashboard, so I can just drag and drop here. So my report is added to this dashboard. So I can save and I can preview I can preview how my report will look like. And since we are using since we are using the at report level, we are using one prompt, right? So it is not selecting any value and we are getting some blank. So what we will do is, okay, for now we'll use this run option. So whatever the report we are seeing, right, report view, it came here. But if you notice, right, so once we select the filter and the filter is again not up here. So that is because of the behavior with the report uh, report prompt. So if we use this kind of a dashboard prompt, right? So we will always see that filter here. So we'll see that, and before that, we'll see different options within this dashboard. So the easiest way to access the like recent reports, right? So we can access from here, and all the dashboards, the recent dashboards will appear here. So I'm just going to open my dashboard from the same place. Okay. So then, so if you just add our report, you can see by default it created a column and then it created a section under that column. If you want to create a new column, right? So whether it is side by side or upper or wherever, like if you just hold this column, you can see some options here, right? Column, section, alert section, action link, text, folder, something. So you can just drag and drop these components here. So in this column, like you can place something, some other report, right? You can place another report, and then you can expose that. For suppose I'll place something. I'm just selecting any one existing report, and then we'll just see we'll just use the run option. We'll save and we'll run this report. Now you can see it created another column here, right? And then whatever that report is showing here, and then in some other column, it will show the another. So now we added two reports, right, to the same into in one area. So it opened that on another report in. So if you want to see both the reports at one place, we need to remove this particular that report prompt. So for that, we'll go to and the easiest way to go to reports, right? So we don't need to go to the environment and then navigator report and analytics. So if we know the URL and /analytics, if we just put like this, it will navigate to the reports and analytics page. So this is our report. We'll just edit it. So now what we are going to do is in the prompts, we are going to delete the prompt we added for status. That's it. I removed and then I saved. Now we'll refresh this dashboard. Okay, now you can see both the reports at a time. Now so now again we'll edit this dashboard. So using this gear icon, we can set different properties for a dashboard, and we can adjust this columns, right? So we can adjust this side by side, or if we place like this. So the reports will come one by one. So the first report came first, and then the next report. So like this, we can adjust. So this report we can add here, or this side, left side, outside, left side, right side, out, up, like upside. So yeah, we can rearrange in any direction. So now using these links, right? So I can so using this link, so I can put some link here. So I can give some name here, and then I can place some report. So yesterday, if we remember, like action links we use it, right, within the like column drill downs. So like that, we can use this action links to uh, to navigate to some other report or some other external link, something like that. So we can use this action links also, and we can put image or something if we want, and embedded content, like if you want to show some other content, some other like external application content, or some other uh, web content, right? So we can use this embedded content feature. And if we want to add text, we can just add a some text heading or something we can add. So these are the different options we have. And by default, we whenever we create a dashboard, it will be one page. So like if I want to put these two reports in two different tabs, right? So what I can do is I can click on this gear icon, and then uh, I can go to dashboard properties, and here we can see. Okay. Okay. So this is dashboard properties. But if we want to create a new tab, right? So we can use this add dashboard page button. And this is for deleting the current dashboard page. So I'll add dashboard page. I'll call it this as a page 2. So we have page 1, right? So we can put different names, but I'll just use page 2. Okay. If you see page 1 and page 2. So in page 2, I'll add only our report, our custom report. But in page 1, we can see both the reports. So that is the difference I'm just showing here. I'm saving. Now you can see we have two different tabs, page 1 and page 2. In the page 1, you can see both the reports, but in page 2, you can see only one report. Like this, we can add multiple tabs here. Okay. And also, right, if you click on this dashboard properties, by default, the page report links will be not available. So if you want to like export, if you want export options, right? So I can select this export, refresh, print, copy, add to brief book. So all of this I can select, and then I can apply. So these properties, right? So it will apply for this specific page. So if I want to enable yeah, first before that we'll see the changes, and then we'll come back. Yeah. Now this is the first page view, right? So we'll go to page 2, and here you can see. Okay. Here. So here you can see, right? Edit, refresh, print, export, add to brief book, copy. So all of these options came here. But if you go to page 1, because we have not enabled, so those options will not come here. That is the difference. So in page 2, we enable the export and other links, but in page 1, we have not enabled. Okay. So now, so this is about dashboards. So we can just simply add in different ways the reports. So now we'll see what is dashboard prompt and how it is useful. Okay. So for creating dashboard prompt is nothing but it is almost similar to the report prompt. In report also we created one prompt, right, for sales like status, something, opportunity status. So like that, it is similar, but in in report, that it will be applicable only for that report. But when it comes to dashboard prompt, it applies to each and every report within that page, within that dashboard page. So that is the difference. So it is generally used for filtering. So if you want to filter rate specific records, so then we can use this dashboard prompts. So we'll use the same subject area. So we need to use the same subject area or the same folder. Like if you are using opportunity reports, right? In while selecting the subject area for dashboard prompt, so it should be same subject area or the subject area having same object. So then only whatever values we give in dashboard prompt will be passed to the report. Okay, I'll select the same subject area. Okay. So if we remember, I think we have used it, opportunity status. Okay, I'll just go to the report and then we'll see what are the fields we use it. So we have lead status name, right? So we'll drill down using the same. Okay, status name. So I'm selecting the same field. If you want, we can select multiple fields. Okay, and we have different uh, ways for creating prompt. Okay, so we'll go with the basic now, but we have different options. So this is called column prompt. So but if we see this plus button, right, so we have column prompt, variable prompt, image prompt, currency prompt. So we have selected column prompt. So then we can select the subject area and then the specific field. If we use variable prompt, uh, we can select we need to give some particular name, and that to that name, we can give some custom values, like we can use some SQL results, something like that. And image and prompt, uh, I'm not sure. We'll try in the advanced topics. Um so the preview we can see here in the status. See, we can see the list of values available for this field. And I'm saving uh, this particular dashboard filter. Okay, I'm saving it demo prompt. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'll add the same I'll add this dashboard prompt to the dashboard. Okay. So where is our dashboard? Here it is. I'm going to select my dashboard prompt. Okay, this is our dashboard form. I'm giving at the top. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So the first section will have the dashboard filter, and if you apply now, we'll see what happens. I applied own and like open and own, right? But if you see, we'll select any one. Now we'll see the change will apply or not. Observe this. Here we have selected only open, but it is showing both the values, right? So that means it is not the report is not filtering based on our input values. So that is because we have created dashboard prompt and report, but we haven't associated these two. Like when I select this value, right, pass the same value to this report. So that association we didn't do. So because of that, this values uh, are not passing to the report. So to do that, we need to go to the report, and we need to go to criteria, and in the filters, right? So wherever we have this lead status name, right? Okay, I'll remove all other, then I'll keep only this two here. So if you see this report, this filter is hard coded. Instead of hard coding, so now we are giving the values from the dashboard, right? To pass those dashboard prompt values to this report. So in the operator, we need to select is prompted. So when we select is prompted, so the whatever values we select in the dashboard prompt will be passed to the report. So now we'll refresh this report and we'll try. Okay, I think we need to go to home and then we need to come back to the dashboard. And then only the changes will be reflected. It's not happening. So to edit from the dashboard itself, right? So we can edit the dashboard prompt or report from here itself. So if we go to this XYZ, right? So we can see edit and we can check the same. No, no. So if you see the change here, right? So here in the report, we have opportunity status name, but in uh, like in the report, right? We have lead status name. So this is wrong, right? So we are prompting to two different values. So that's why it is not taking. So for that, what we need to do is we need to remove uh, this lead status prompt, and then we need to put this uh, is prompted for opportunity status. So now, because in the report and in the dashboard, both are the same fields. So it will, whatever value we select in the dashboard prompt will be passed now. Now we'll go back. We'll save. We'll go home, and we'll try the report again. So now we'll select only open, and then we'll apply. Now you can see the report is filtered based on open condition, open status condition, and it is showing the count, right? So all the views within that report will be applied with the same filters. If we are using the same subject area or same field in this report, and then if this report is in this report also, if the same field is prompted, so then whatever value we select here, right, it will apply to the same report. Okay, so this is how we can use the dashboard filters. So yeah, that is all for now.